Hey y'all, this is Steve. We're here at the Plant City, Florida train viewing platform, and we're going to see if we can catch a few trains today, so stand by. My wife convinced me to get a brand new fancy camera, so we got this Canon EOS Rebel T7, which I'm trying out for the very first time. So we're going to see how it does in the video mode by shooting a few trains here in Plant City, Florida. Rail fanning, sort of like fishing. Cast your line out there, be patient, hope a train comes by. So, hey, I'm just chilling here at the Plant City train watching platform here in downtown Plant City, Florida, and we'll see if we get a train or two. Yeah, we got something coming. Look, Ma, it's a DPU. Folks, I just barely caught this one in Kathleen, Florida at the railroad crossing at First Avenue. Just happened to see this train as I was coming back down 92 from Plant City, and I decided, well, what the heck, I'll see if I can catch it. Well, I got it. Well, that's it for this video, folks. Managed to get a couple of trains. But that's 2 more trains than I'd have gotten otherwise if I didn't get off my butt and get out there. So, hey, I'm happy. Always happy to get a train. Well, I just want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video. And until next time, peace out, y'all. This has been a Subligna Valley production from Atlanta, Georgia.